How do you hedge a synthetic long? So let's talk quick about what it is. That is typically when an investor sells a put option and I use the proceeds to buy a call option. That reduces my call option prices because the price of call options, especially during these times, is extremely heavy because of volatility for some of the disruptive assets that I look at. And you do it both for the same asset with the same expiration date and the same strike price. But make sure you nail the bottom, because if you're selling a put and say an asset's at, say, $200 and it goes to $100, you're on the hook for that. But sometimes as well, if it is a very volatile time, the price crashes. Imagine stocks at 300, price crashed to 200, and then it falls all the way down to $100. If during that crash to 200, you sold a put for maybe $60, and the price goes all the way down to $100, the put, because it's so in the money, will become more closer to $100. So you're only losing $40. So that's one of the beauties of selling puts. That's why I love it. So how do I hedge my synthetic longs? I sell calls at or out of the money after a big volatility spike at tops. And I wait for them to fall back in value before buying back, or I let them expire. And a detailed breakdown of all these trades on Patreon, for example. NVIDIA was one this week that I did. You know, what I call my three-legged stool. Sell the put, buy the call, wait, sell the call, buy the call back. You know, it works. A lot of the time I had a big synthetic long on Meta. I sold the call a little too early and it shot up. So, but you don't go broke making profits. Even if you do sell a call, that's the beauty of cover calls, and the stock shoots up, you still make money.